So the crane is back, and he has brought his wife, his mate. I'm gonna go out and see if I can get some video of them without scaring them away, but they're stupid close. So here we go. Wish me luck. I'm not sure which one we have here. I think it's the one from yesterday. It seems the mate, it's gone. And I wasn't looking. Probably the neighbor's yard. Or even closer. Where'd you go? I mean, it sure blends into dirt and grass good for being freaking blue. There it is. Where is your mate, bro? Oh, there it is. Snuck over the neighbor's yard. Okay, well, phone just wants to see the fence there, so let's go back to this one. This one's got a sweet little long hairdo. It's kind of styling here. I'm gonna try to approach it and get a little better video because YOLO. Doesn't seem to really care about me. It's pretty cool. I'll go for a little bit closer. Yeah, he's walking away. I don't want to push it. I'll make sure they come back. Yeah, pretty cool. Brought its mate. Okay, so there's 15 of them out here. I just hadn't seen them. 3 of them just flew away. This guy over here is just like, I don't give a shit what you guys are doing. I like to see on